Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Shayma, as you know. Today in English, we are going to have new letter and new sound. But before we start, let us review the previous lesson, which is sound okay, like aunt, okay, and ba, and b, aunt, ba, b, okay. And the new lesson for today is letter C, sound ka, okay, cat, 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 okay, clear? And cow, cow, okay? Cow and cat, cow and cat, okay? Now let us listen to our song for the sound cat.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Okay, I hope that you enjoyed the song. And now let us repeat it, make it very clear, make it quickly, make it very clear. Ka, okay. Cow, and cat, okay. Okay, this is all I have for today. Thank you for your attention and see you next lesson.